Today I will tell you a very smart way of starting your e-commerce business, and that is dropshipping. And dropshipping is a very smart way of doing e-commerce business. How? Let us understand. We all have heard about dropshipping, right? For all the people who do not know dropshipping it is a business model where you sell a product online without owning the product or without taking care of the stock, warehouse or godown. Why it is called a smart way? Because in dropshipping, you contact a supplier, take his product details, showcase supplier's products, attract customers to buy these products. Take order from the customers, pass on the customer details to the supplier, then supplier will deliver the product to the customer's location. You won't be handling the product logistics. Logistics means the delivery part. So without manufacturing the product or making the product, without buying the product or without taking care of the warehouse, the stock part of the product, you are selling this product to a customer. Isn't that a smart way of doing business? That is what dropshipping is all about. Now the question is, where and how can you start this dropshipping business? There are many platforms online which you can use to start your dropshipping business. In this video, I will tell you 5 dropshipping platforms. These are randomly placed, and using these platforms, you can start your dropshipping business. The very first one is Meesho. Second one is Shopify. Third one is IndiaMart. Fourth one is Trade India, and the fifth one is BAP Store. So all these 5 platforms you can definitely use, and you can start your dropshipping business today itself. How much investment is required to do a dropshipping business? It is less than 5,000 rupees. But at the same time, it will need lot of your time and lot of your efforts to grow in this business. Now, once you start your dropshipping business, how will you get customers? This is a very big question lot of you may be facing or lot of you may be having. You can use social media like Facebook, Instagram and also YouTube. Using these social platforms, you can attract lot of customers and you will be able to redirect them to go to your store, your dropshipping store and buy your products. Now let us understand the advantages and the disadvantages of dropshipping business. The first advantage is it needs very less investment, less than 5,000 rupees only you can start this business. The second advantage is it is very flexible in nature. From anywhere you can start this business. You need not have to place a store. You need not have to have a physical store also. From any location, rural, urban, any location you can start this business. Dropshipping business model is very scalable. When you start building a brand, when people start trusting your brand, then you can launch your own product also. So in that way, you will be able to scale your business or grow your business. You can sell wide range of products, not only cosmetics, not only apparels, not only jewelry, but you can sell any type of product in your dropshipping store. The best part of dropshipping is you need not have to take the tension of the warehouse or the employees or the workers or the product delivery. Everything will be done by the supplier. So that is the best part of dropshipping. Now let us understand the disadvantages. At the beginning, you may expect less profit or less margin, but gradually your profit or your margin may increase. Second disadvantage is stock availability. It totally depends on the supplier and how much stock he is holding. So stock unavailability may also cause a disadvantage or a issue for the dropshipper. Supplier disputes or supplier gaining the customer information, customer details. These are the disadvantages of dropshipping business. Now let us understand how this dropshipping business started and where it started. You won't believe, but dropshipping business started before the internet. It started in the year 1960 to 1970 when mail order companies used to sell their products using mail order catalogs. Let us understand what are these mail order companies. A mail order company it used to send a catalog through post to its customers. Customers, by seeing the catalog, they used to select which product they want to buy and they used to post it back to the mail order company with the payment, and in that way mail order company used to deliver the products to the customer's location. With very high number of customer demands, these mail order companies started growing very fast. And as a result of that, they started developing fulfillment warehouses where they started storing supplier products in bulk, very similar to Amazon warehouses today. Then in 1990s, when the internet was born, these mail order companies, they upgraded to become the e-commerce company, and online shopping was introduced to the public. In early 2000, Amazon and eBay, they transformed how people used to sell products online. This was the decade where people like you and me, we started selling products using Amazon and eBay, and these companies used to take care of everything, storing the products and delivering the products, advertising the products to a wider audience. They were taking care of everything, and these Amazon, eBay, these kind of websites became a very big thing for dropshippers. And then 2010 was the year when dropshipping was changed forever. In 2010, Jack Ma's company Alibaba, it launched AliExpress. On AliExpress, people from around the world can buy products from Chinese manufacturers and drop shippers. And the whole buying process was made very easy and very simple. And then came Shopify and Oberlo. These platforms were used by drop shippers to create our own stores, which further made the drop shipping business much easier. And that is how drop shipping business was evolved. If your goal is to have financial freedom, then drop shipping is one of the fastest, simplest and easiest way to reach that goal. So what are you waiting for? Start your dropshipping business today itself. If you feel this video has some good content and this video can motivate your friends and family members to start their own business, you must share this video with them as well. Also like this video because I need your support in the form of likes. Comment down what you feel about dropshipping business, and thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. I will see you in the next video. Also watch my these two playlists. In this playlist I have discussed about job and career. In this playlist I have discussed about business ideas, startup business ideas and all. So watch my these two playlist videos also. Thank you.